Hi, I'm Emily with Autobahn Collision Center. Welcome to our Q&A series where we answer the questions we hear every day at the shop.
Can I get a collision repair estimate without going to a body shop in person? Yes, and Autobahn Collision Center makes it easier than most people expect. We have a mobile photo estimate tool that lets you upload pictures of your vehicle's damage directly from your phone and receive a free estimate without ever leaving your driveway. It's designed for people who've just been in an accident and need answers fast without taking time off work to drive to a shop. You photograph the damage from multiple angles, submit through the tool, and our team reviews the photos and gets back to you with a professional assessment. It's free, it's fast, and it gets the process started immediately. When you're ready to bring the vehicle in, we're here on Vose Street, half a block from O'Reilly Auto Parts on Laurel Canyon. Autobahn Collision Center, your free estimate starts on your phone right now.
Thanks for watching. Give us a call if you have any questions. Phone number 818-765-8777.